In the second lesson plan, basically you can only manipulate the shutter speed setting. So again, as I click on the different shutter speeds, I could see that the image on the right updates, and I could see again that I can't change the aperture setting or the film speed setting because the boxes for those two options are grayed out and I have a lock icon on top of them, and the only setting that can be manipulated is the actual shutter speed setting. uh, and again, as I choose a lower number or a slower shutter speed, you can see that the image gets lighter, and as I move and choose a higher number, you can see that the image gets darker. And again, I can compare this image, the one on the right, the manipulated image, with the original image that I have on the left to have a better understanding as how the shutter speed functions. And again, there will be a video tutorial attached to this that you can watch. And additionally, you can click on this tab here, which gives you a more in-depth textual information as well as some visualization animation that shows you how a slower shutter speed actually would allow more light in, because it just moves a lot slower than a fast shutter speed. And again, this is a visual example of a shutter speed of 120 versus a slower shutter speed, and as you can see that the one on the right allows more light in. We also have options to look at some additional images that can guide us in terms of what kind of a setting we can choose in order to capture our own personal vision as best as possible. So going back here, so these are some additional support, but through direct manipulation and interaction with the actual shutter speed setting, the learner can fully comprehend the relationship between a slower shutter speed, which is indicated by a lower number, and actually allowing more light in. So again, the higher the shutter speed, the faster the movement, and consequently the less light would actually enter the camera setting. In the next lesson plan, we'll discuss aperture setting.